Now, good morning, students. Today we will continue with the matrix concept. Now, in the last class, we have seen that the addition of the matrix, multiplication of the matrix. Today, we will find the solution of this matrix equation. See in the question number 15. A is given 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1 minus 1, 0. And we wish to find the value of a square minus 5a plus 6 of identity. Now, first of all, what do you mean by I? I stands for identity. It is always square matrix. It means either 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4 or 1 by 1. 1, 0, 0, 1. It means in diagonal only one remaining entry is 0 because 2 by 2. If it is 3 by 3, we know that there are 9 elements. Which are they? 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Again, only diagonal having 1 remaining entry is 0. Now we continue to find the solution of a square minus 5a plus 6 of identity. Now, just see here. How to find a square? A square means product of matrix A with matrix A. Matrix A is given in the question. So we wrote here 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1 minus 1, 0 and same matrix here. We simply copy the same matrix. So now A and A. Now we know that how to perform multiplication. Multiplication is always performed with row multiply to column. It means this considered first row and this one is first column. So the result is 1, 1. So this is the answer which is obtained by first row, first column. That is 2 multiplied with 2, that is 4. 0 multiplied with 2, that is 0. And 1 multiplied with 1. It means 4 plus 0 plus 1. Now I will directly write 5. Same way, suppose we wish to find this answer. Then name of this place is second row, third column. It is A, 2, 3. So what we will do in this case? Second row and third column. See the answer. 2 ones are 2 plus 3 ones are 3 plus 3 into 0, that is 0. So 2 plus 3 plus 0, that is 5. Now is this clear? How to obtain a square? Now sometimes they will change the question. Rather than a square minus 5a plus 6i, they may be asked a cube minus some number, say 6a square plus 5i. Okay, so in that case we need to find a cube. Now, as we know that a square is obtained by a into a, then suppose I wish to obtain a cube. Here it is not there, but suppose I wish to find a cube. Then how to find a cube? A cube is multiplied by a square into a. A square is nothing but the same answer. So it is matrix. So instead of now this first matrix, we will write this. So it is considered as a square. And then same a. Then do the multiplication. You will get another matrix that is considered as a cube. Anyway, now my original question is a square minus 5i plus 6i. Okay. So a square minus 5a plus 6i. So a square is nothing but this answer. So I will simply copy 5 minus 1 2, 9 minus 2 5, 0 minus 1 minus 2. Now what do you mean by 5a? We have seen in the last class scalar multiplication. 5 multiply with each entry of a. A is here given in the question. So 5i means 5 multiply with 2, that is 5 2s are 10. 5 multiply with 0, so it is 0. 5 multiply with 1, so it is 5. Same way 10, 5, 15, 5 minus 5 and 0. Now a square that we have obtained here and we copied here a square. Now minus 5a that we wrote here. Now as I told you, I means identity element. Now it's a question of common sense. As we know that here we want to add these two matrix. So if A is 3 by 3, then this identity also of order 3 by 3. But 6 of identity, we know the answer of identity, 1, 1, 1 in diagonal, remaining 3 here and 3 below entry are 0. But 6 identity means multiply each entry by 6. So there is no need to multiply with 0, only multiply with 1. So it is 6, 6, 6. Remaining entries are 0. Now my question is a square minus 5a plus 6i. Now it is up to you. You can perform this operation and then add with this, or you can do directly first entry, first entry, first entry. That is 5, 10 and 6. But remember that the sign is minus 5a. So we will write 5, that is first entry. Because this minus 5a minus 10 and this first entry is 6. Same way, minus 1, minus 0 plus 0. So minus 1, minus 0 plus 0. Same way, 2, then minus 5 and 0. So 2 minus 5, 0. This way we will write all the 9 entries. We will perform as they required. Now the result is 5 minus 10 plus 6. So 5 and 6, 11 minus 10. So answer is 11 minus 10, that is 1. This way we will get the remaining answers. So this is the final answer of a square minus 5a plus 6i. This is clear? This way we will perform the required solution of matrix equation. As I told you, suppose the same question is there. Suppose my question is, instead of find out this a square minus 5a plus 6i, if my question is find out a cube minus 5a plus 6i, then 5a and 6i we know that, but how to find a cube, that I will show you. A cube is equal to a square into a square, which we have obtained, that is 5 minus 1 2, 9 minus 2 5, 0 minus 1 minus 2 into multiply with a. This is a square. Now a is original question, 201, 201, 213, 213, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0, and then we will multiply this both matrix. Now you know that how to perform the multiplication. See, I will perform multiplication here only. Now a cube is a square into a. The answer for this a cube is first row multiply with first column, that is 5 2s are 10, minus 1 into 2, that is minus 2, and 2 into 1, that is plus 2. This is my first entry. Now second entry is nothing but first row second column. So first row second column. So 5 into 0 0, minus 1 into 1 minus 1, 2 into minus 1 minus 2. So the final answer is minus 3. Same way, 5 into 1 5, minus 3 plus 0. So final answer is 2. That way you have to write remaining 6 entry, and this answer is nothing but the answer of a cube. Okay, this way you can find the further for a4. So it means we can say that to find a4, a square into a square is also valid, or a cube into a is also valid. But when the power is odd number, that is 3, 5, 7 like that, suppose my question is a raised to 5, it means I must have to find a4, then only a possible. Or you may find a cube, then a square, then also it is possible. Okay, so these are the different combination to get the answer. Now question number 18. See, this question is important question. Question number 18, a is there, 0, minus 10 alpha by 2, 10 alpha by 2 and 0. Then prove that I minus a is equal to, I plus a is equal to I minus a into cos alpha minus sin alpha, cos alpha. See, I is identity, A is given matrix, and this is the another matrix. Now, first of all, we will start with the LHS. LHS is I plus A. As I told you, A is 2 by 2, so you have to use your common sense, and we will consider that A is also 2 by 2. In the previous question, A is 3 by 3 matrix, that's why you consider I as 3 by 3. I is identity matrix, and that you have to choose by your own way. Now, I plus A is 1 0 0 1 plus 0 minus 10 alpha by 2 10 alpha by 2 0. Now, I means identity, so we wrote this. A is question, so we wrote this copy. Now we will perform addition. So 1 plus 0, that is 1. 0 plus minus 10 alpha by 2, same way 10 alpha by 2 and 1. This is my equation number 1 as it is LHS. Now in RHS, we have to take the matrix multiplication of I minus A with this matrix. So before we do the multiplication, we will separately find I minus A. Now I is there, A is there. Here only addition, and in RHS it is subtraction. So we directly consider this I, this A along with negative sign. So 1 minus 0, I wrote 1. 0 minus 10 alpha by 2. So it is plus 10 alpha by 2. 0 minus 10 alpha by 2. So it is minus 10 alpha by 2. And 1 minus 0, that is 1. Now I minus A is this. Now in RHS, the another matrix is cos alpha minus sin alpha, cos alpha. Now observe the question. Here as a theta, it is alpha by 2. And here as a theta, it is alpha. So it is half angle, it is full angle. So we will know the relation of full angle to half angle. That's why we wrote that sin alpha is 2 tan alpha by 2 upon 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. Cos alpha is 1 minus tan square alpha by 2 upon 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. Now, exactly we have to multiply this matrix with this matrix. We know that this matrix is also 1 minus tan alpha by 2, tan alpha, negative tan alpha by 2 and 1, and sin and cos having this value. If I will write this value as this place, then it looks very large number. So for our conveniency, we will consider let tan alpha by 2 is t. Now RHS is same. I copied the same RHS. But then after, we know the answer of I minus A. 1 tan alpha by 2 minus tan alpha by 2 1. But as I told you, just consider tan alpha by 2 is equal to t. So this tan alpha by 2 is equal to t, that we will put here, here as well as here. So I minus A is this. So 1 t minus t 1. Got it? Same way, the next matrix is cos alpha. But we know the answer of cos alpha. 1 minus tan square alpha by 2, 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. And as you considered tan alpha by 2 is t, it is 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. Same way, minus sin alpha and cos alpha. Now we will normal to the matrix multiplication. The same thing we will do here. Now see here. 1 multiply with this. So it is 1 minus t square. Okay. Before solving this, you can do one thing. From all the 4 terms, observe the denominator. Can we say in the denominator 1 plus t square is common? So that we will take common. 1 plus t square common. So now, if I will take 1 plus t square common, I will write this matrix only again for your conveniency. So it is 1 minus t square minus 2t, positive 2t, 1 minus t square. So now I have to multiply this matrix to this matrix. Only these two matrix now multiply. Because 1 plus t square we take common from all the denominator. So now 1 multiply with 1 minus t square. So it is 1 minus t square. Now t multiply with 2t. As this matrix is 2 by 2, this matrix is 2 by 2, product is possible and the result is also 2 by 2. 2 by 2 means 2 column, 2 row or 2 row, 2 column, where this entry having name A11, A12, A21, A22. 1, 1 means first row, first column. 1 with 1 minus t square and t with 2t. So plus 2t square. See, this is my first entry. 1, 1. Now 1, 2. 1, 2 means first row, second column. So first row means 1 multiply with minus 2t. So we wrote minus 2t. And t multiply with this. So it is plus t minus t cube. Now second row, first column. So minus t multiply with this. So minus t plus t cube. This t, negative t multiply with this, and now 1 multiply with this. So plus 2t. Now last row, last column. Second row, second column. So minus t multiply with minus 2t. So it is 2t square positive, negative, negative, positive. And 1, so we simply copy the number. So plus 1 minus t square. Now after simplifying this, we will get, see, 1 upon 1 plus t square is still outside. So 1 upon 1 plus t square is still outside. Now observe this. 2t square positive, t square negative. So only 1 t square is left and 1 is there. So it is 1 plus t square. Now minus 2t plus t gives minus t. So minus t minus t cube. We will take minus t common, then 1 plus t square. See, minus t cube. We get the same. Same way here, minus t, positive 2t. So positive t is left along with t cube. So t cube plus t. We will take t common, 1 plus t square. And here 2t square minus t square. So only left is t square plus 1. So 1 plus t square. Now see here. Here 1 plus t square is outside in the denominator and each term contain 1 plus t square. So they get cancelled. So what is left finally? The finally left answer is 1 minus t, t and 1. But what do you mean by t? That we have considered 10 alpha by 2. So my final answer is 1 minus 10 alpha by 2, 10 alpha by 2 and 1. This is my answer number 2. See, LHS, RHS are same. Hence, it is proved that I plus A is equal to I minus A cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha.